PDFelement is a powerful yet affordable PDF editor on Windows and Mac. Today I'll give you a product tour of PDFelement. Let's go! PDFelement has many powerful features to help you process PDFs more intelligently. It simplifies PDF editing so that you can easily modify watermarks, images, texts, links, headers and footers, backgrounds, pages, and more. It's easy to annotate PDFs, enabling you to collaborate on ideas and share information. Make the most of personalized drawing features, sticky notes, comments, stamps, and text boxes for easier memorization and collaboration with colleagues. Create top-notch PDFs by converting them to or from other file types. PDFelement supports the creation and conversion of PDF files in a variety of formats, including Word, Excel, PPT, images, text, EPUB, HTML, without losing the original layout, format, and table. Use the OCR feature in PDFelement to create and scan editable and searchable image-based PDFs. Optical Character Recognition (OCR) identifies scanned text automatically for smooth copying, extraction, searching, and editing content. For enterprise users, confidentiality is key. PDFelement provides password and encryption tools to protect your information from unauthorized users. Improve your daily office routine and build better PDFs. PDFelement is an affordable alternative to other PDF products, such as Adobe Acrobat, as it contains most of the same features. Our team is dedicated to providing a smooth customer service experience, which means you can trust our product above all the others on the market. Visit our website today, pdf.iSkysoft.com, to download the free trial of PDFelement, so you can take your document productivity to the next level.